Hello beautiful people, this is Unique DJ here. On today's episode we are going to be making akara. If you want to know how I make this fluffy, sweet, beautiful akara, sit down, relax and watch. So guys, before going, please subscribe, like and share. So this is my beans. I'll be soaking it with water for like 10 minutes before peeling the back. So here is my beans already soaked. I've peeled the back. You can use your hand, use your blender, anyone you prefer. So here is my own already peeled. So I'll be using water to sieve out the chaff. So I've sieved out all the chaff. My beans is well clean. So even though there is still a small particles of chaff on it, it's normal, just leave it that way. So I'll be soaking it for like 2 hours. Guys, if you are doing akara, you don't have to soak it for long, because soaking it for long will make the akara to be watery. So here is mine, is already soaked. I'll be grating it now. So here is my akara. I've blended it. You can use your whisk to mix, use your turning stick. If you have hand mixer, you can use your hand mixer. I'll be using my hand mixer to mix it. You have to mix and mix and mix it very well to be fluffy and light in weight. See how fluffy it is. It will even rise more than the initial quantity that you have. So see the difference. This is the mixed one and this is the one I didn't mix. You see how thick this is and you see how light this one is. So this is my chopped onion. I'll mix it together. So I'll be putting in my chopped pepper. I'll mix them together to incorporate very well. So here it is, it's well mixed. So I'll be adding salt bit by bit. I don't want to add salt to everything because I can't fry all at the same time. Adding salt to it will make it very watery and it will be scattering inside the oil. So carry small quantity, add the quantity of salt you want, mix it and fry that one. So my oil is already hot. I'll be cutting in the akara. You can see how it's floating on top of the oil. It's not going down and it's not scattering. To our new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. You are welcome to the family. If you are watching this video and you've not subscribed, before you watch to the end, please subscribe, like. That like will encourage us to do more. Please like, subscribe, share and comment down below. If you have any question, comment down below. I'll be glad to answer all the questions. So you can see the akara. You'll be turning it over. Your light should not be that high so that it will dawn inside. you have to put it on a medium heat. So I'm through with the first batch. The first batch is coming out. If you want it to still be golden brown than this, you still leave it on the fire, but I'm okay with that. So I've packed it out, going in with the second batch. Here is our beautiful akara. Can you see the inside? Very white, fluffy. So guys, give it a try and let me know in the comment section how your own comes out. So I'll be having this with akamu. You know how it goes on a Saturday morning in an African home. So this is what I'll be having with my family. I've mixed my akamu. I'll be putting in hot water. Oh, my akam is ready. So I'll be taking this akam with the akara. So here is the serving. So thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.